So in this video, I'm going to be talking about week 25 of pregnancy. Week 25, your baby is the size of an aubergine. So by week 25 gestation, your baby has started to develop a startle reflex. So if your baby hears a very sudden sound or a movement, your baby will move, and it will be a very quick jerk in movement. And after that, your baby will start to have a tremble and movement, which is what we call the Moro reflex. And these are completely normal developmental reflexes and response to sound that we would expect your baby to be performing at this stage. You might have started to notice that your legs are aching, that you might be experiencing leg cramps, particularly during the night. If that's the case, one tip to try and help alleviate those cramps is to just have a gentle leg massage by your partner, if they can, late in the evening just before you go to bed. But also just keep a check and make sure that there aren't any particular areas of redness or areas that are particularly swollen or tender and sensitive to touch. It's really important that if you are experiencing any of those symptoms, that you seek advice, that you get that checked out. If you find that when you're sitting in a chair that you elevate your legs, so if you take a pillow off your bed and put it lengthways, so have it tucked under your knee, supporting the whole length of your calf, and try and slightly raise your legs a little bit. That often helps, but you might find in that sitting position, after a while it starts to put a bit of pressure on your pelvis and your lower back, so you might find that you need to change position. When you're in bed, at this stage, of course, we would advise that you're lying on your side. So the advice would be to try and use, if you have it, a pregnancy pillow, and put that in between your legs so both legs aren't resting against each other, particularly pressure points of your knees and your ankles. You might find that helps. So in the next video, I'm going to be talking about week 26 of pregnancy. Join me in the next episode.